The name of my company is Custom Home Control. We design and install the technology systems that incorporate all of the home electronics. We've been doing this for 20 plus years. We primarily work on high-end residential, but we do commercial work as well. Our typical philosophy is a consultation with the client to come up with a system that they really need for their lifestyle. Once that's completed, then we will come up with a wire design and an infrastructure design to be implemented by local subcontractors.
I consider Max Green of Custom Home Control to be one of the pioneers in the field of home automation. He's made it his business to keep up with the technology in home automation. He brings a depth of experience to the design and installation of a system that reflects not only the best technology, but also the best solution for that particular homeowner.
We had to coordinate with just about everybody, the pool contractor, the alarm contractor, even the cabinet contractor for specifications, and we had to orchestrate this to bring everybody together.
I couldn't imagine working with people that were more professional and accommodating and pleasant to be around. I mean, they went far and beyond the call of duty when we needed them, and when we needed them most, they were there.
We did all the programming to integrate the entire system together, which controls all of the major functions on the property, including locking and unlocking doors, open and closing windows in the entry gate, open and closing window coverings, turning lights off and on, and changing the lighting levels, controlling the security and closed circuit camera systems, controlling the heating and cooling, controlling the audio-video distribution throughout the house, controlling the pool equipment and irrigation system, turning fireplaces off and on. This system is operated by a series of computers throughout the house. It is a PC-based open architecture system. There are 387,000 lineal feet of low voltage wiring. The system can be controlled by 12-inch touchscreens located throughout the house or on any computer, PC, or Mac in the house. Other electronic devices such as PDAs, gaming devices such as the Wii can also be used. You know, it may take months of programming to put the system together, but usually only takes 5 minutes to train somebody on how to operate all of the individual systems in the home. And the reason for this is that you're having the same graphical interface for every device in the house instead of individual operation manuals. You definitely put home automation in for convenience, but as well as energy savings, in the sense that all of those thermostats can be set back to an energy savings mode. You don't have to run around the house and check every single thermostat to make sure that it's off or set back. You just hit one button. And it also has a timer on the pool heater to make sure that it's shut off every night so that it's not left on for weeks on end. With an energy savings mode, or a green button we call it, you will shut electronics off in the home that are not necessarily being used. A good example is the climate control, where that will be set back. The shade control that will close shades to help cool the house, or open shades in the winter to help heat the house. One of the other benefits is that if there were a medical emergency or a burglar alarm or a fire alarm, the doors are programmed to automatically unlock so that people can get it in the home and rescue. I can't imagine any home over 8,000 square feet without some type of integration system, just in the sense that 28 thermostats takes you 20 minutes to walk around this house to shut it off, whereas now you hit it with one button and it shuts all the thermostats back. So yeah, I couldn't imagine. Or locking the doors, you know, with one button you can lock all the doors in the house, and otherwise you'd have to run around this house and try and lock all the doors. And yeah, I couldn't imagine this house not having it implemented.
Now,
Smith Shade is a family-owned and operated business in San Diego since 1934, and we work with many builders, designers, architects, and home automation companies. We love to take on challenging projects. This project is an excellent example of our ability not just to provide window coverings, but to be creative and design custom window treatments for exceptional homes like this one.